oxygen gas inside a 1.5-liter gas tank has a pressure of 0.95 atmosphere. Provided the temperature remains constant, how much pressure is needed to reduce its volume by 1/2? Let us identify the given in the problem. So first, we have 1.5 liter. We also have here 0.95 atmosphere. And we have here 1/2. Okay, so liter is a unit for volume. So obviously, we'll be using GUESNA. GUESNA. Let's start with given. We have 1.5 liter, which is initial volume. Okay, we'll write it V1. So this is 1.5 liter. Okay, and then we have 0.95 atmosphere. ATM is a unit for pressure. So basically, this is the initial pressure. We will write it here, P1. So that's 0.95 atmosphere or ATM. And then next, we have here 1/2. It says here already that this is a volume. So what is this 1/2? Okay. It says here to reduce its volume by 1/2. So technically, this is referring to the initial volume, which is 1.5. So i-reduce natin siya ng 1/2. So kung i-reduce natin siya 1.5, okay, 1.5 by 1/2 po. So divided by 2. So that's 0.75. So ang ating final volume ay 0.75. So anong unit po? Of course, liter. And then next is we have the unknown. So what is unknown? Okay, we already have initial volume and final volume. We have their initial pressure. So our unknown is, okay, yes, it's final pressure. And then for our equation, okay, in finding the final pressure, of course, from our general equation of Boyle's law, which is initial volume times initial pressure is equal to final volume times final pressure. Okay, so ano po yung hinahanap? It's P2. So how do we derive the formula in finding the final pressure in this general equation of Boyle's law? Okay, again, since ang hinahanap ay final pressure, okay, ito po yung final pressure. So ano po yung katabi niya? It's final volume. So anong gagawin natin ulit? Isusulat lang natin yung katabi ng final pressure sa parehong baba. So susulat na natin. So this is V2 or final volume. And then we cross this out. Then we rewrite it. V1 times P1 over V2 equals P2. Or baliktadin natin. P2 equals V1 times P1 divided by V2. So ito na yung ating equation in finding for final pressure. So, isusulat na natin siya dito. P2 equals V1 times P1 divided by V2. And then, next is our solution. Okay? We will just substitute the given to this equation. Okay, therefore, P2 equals V1. What's our V1? It's 1.5 liter. Multiplied by into initial pressure, which is 0.95 atmosphere divided by 0.75 or the V2 liter. Let's cancel units first. So we have here liters. Okay, cancel po yan. And then we do the operation. So we have 1.5 times 0.95. So that is 1.5 times 0.95, that gives us 1.425. So 1.425. Do we have unit here? Yes, meron po tayong ATM. Okay, divided by, of course, 0.75. So let's do the operation. 1.425 atmosphere divided by 0.75. So that is 1.9. So that's already our answer. Our final pressure is 1.9 atmosphere. So this time, let's check if this 1.9 atmosphere as our final pressure is correct. Okay, by analyzing based on the principle of Boyle's law. So our initial volume here is 1.5 liter and our final volume is 0.75 liter. So as you can see, it was reduced, it went down by 1/2. Bumaba siya ng 1/2. So expected na anong mangyayari sa pressure natin? So tataas siya ng 1/2. Check nga natin kung ang ating initial pressure ay 0.95 at tataas po siya ng 1/2. So ita times 2 natin siya. 0.95 times 2. So that will give us 1.9. Tama po ba? Yes, it's correct.